Looking for commercial carpet tiles in Perth? Durable, replaceable flooring that saves you money. For businesses searching for commercial carpet tiles in Perth, choosing the right supplier is just as important as choosing the product itself. While many flooring stores across Perth WA offer carpet tile solutions, not all provide the same level of practical advice, product range, and long-term value. Perth Focus on Flooring in Osborne Park stands out by helping businesses compare options based on real-world use, not just showroom appeal. Perth Focus on Flooring commercial carpet tiles are designed for durability, easy replacement, and cost control, making them ideal for offices, retail spaces, and high-traffic environments. Compared to traditional carpet, they allow you to replace only worn sections instead of the entire floor, which reduces disruption and ongoing expenses. When comparing suppliers, it is important to look beyond price and focus on installation support, product quality, and maintenance flexibility. That is where experienced local providers can make a noticeable difference for Perth businesses. Upgrade your flooring with confidence. Get expert advice, request a quote, and discover durable, cost-saving flooring solutions built for high-traffic environments.